So hi guys, well yesterday uh, kind of had a problems with a fuel tank. It was leaking, and yeah, came up with a solution to use Rapid Steel Putty. It's a two-part component. You kind of mix it together. It's like a Play-Doh or something, and you have like, I guess, 2 or 3 minutes time to kind of mold it around and basically kind of press into the small little pinholes. And yeah, I did as best as I can do. Yeah, and this is how it looks. I think it looks all right. I will just give a couple coats of primer and a black paint. We'll put back hose and we'll see if it works. And if it doesn't leak, subframe we're gonna go up, and yeah, probably we will lower the car back on its wheels, and it will be drivable for at least a couple more weeks before we again strip everything back to the bare metal and do proper full body restoration on this one. And yeah, and probably meanwhile I will look for other fuel tank, or well, I kind of have like a fuel tank on a donor car, but I don't know what state it was. I remember there was a large kind of dent underneath the fuel tank from I believe right side. So yeah, if it's similar state, then I'll probably look on eBay for something better, in better condition, maybe mint tank or so, or look somewhere who is selling them or making them. So yeah, but right now just gonna put everything back together and give it a test. If everything works, then the rest of it comes back, and yeah, let's do that. So yeah guys, gave a couple coats of primer and then paint. Not the prettiest job, but at least it will kind of protect from corrosion for now. And yeah, everything is fine. Test it out. Full fuel tank is kind of full-ish, and nothing is leaking. So yeah, hopefully it will hold itself for at least a couple of weeks probably till the winter. And yeah, I guess the Rapid Steel Putty is working, and it's quite a good thing to have in your garage or in your car for like emergency roadside repairs or something like that. So yeah, I guess I can recommend this product. But yeah, other than that, this problem is sort of fixed for now, I think, for now. And yeah, I'll put back subframe up, because there's just just a need to lift it up, and that's it. Put all the bits, brackets and everything back in place, and spring, attach the shock absorber, and it should be fine. Then we can deal with some other problems that we might have. Well, I know the one problem is we need still, I guess, put some spacers on soft top so it goes a bit higher on the other side, on the passenger side, which is left side. Otherwise, when I close the window, it doesn't go underneath that small rubber that is there, and window is kind of like leaving the gap because it's not going under, it just stays over it. And yeah, we can do that with that probably next time. But yeah, for now, fuel tank leakage problem is sort of fixed. Okay, thank you guys for your time, and yeah, probably see you next time. Cheers guys.